Hey everybody, Chris Bystead here with Bish's RV. You know what? We have a lot of B vans here, but this one is really unique and different, and I can't wait to show it to you. This is the 2024 Jayco Swift, and it's on the Ram chassis, so you have front wheel drive, which is really fantastic when you live in the Northwest. If you check out the cockpit here, beautiful, beautiful upholstery. It's all leather. You have the big display screen, so you can see your backup camera, your navigation, everything. And this is one of the things that's very unusual about it. You actually have quad seating in a van like this. So you actually have the ability to have seat belts. You can put car seats there. You've got a little table right here, some extra storage, and you might need these extra comfortable seats because this van is a pop top. So this one's actually a pop top. Got a skylight right here, and this will open up and you can sleep a couple people up top, which is great. You're also going to notice, moving along, that you have a bathroom off to the side. So this is a rear kitchen, which is really unusual. So you got your kitchen in the back, and then this is how your bed makes out. These pull out, the legs come down, and then you have a full bed right here that you can sleep, and you're nice and close to the microwave if you need to put some popcorn in while you watch a movie. Lots of great storage up in here as well. Really a cool pop-up trailer with extra seating space for, if you've got 4 adults. This would be much nicer than many of the other ones. But I'd love to show you this one or any of the B vans that we have. My name is Chris, and you can call me on my personal cell phone, 541-636-7878. I'd love to help you choose the right B van for your family.